Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to sign up for a Deel account. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Deel website. Before continuing, make sure you're on the correct website by checking that the URL is secure and starts with HTTPS. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login button located in the top right corner. On the login page, you'll find the Sign Up option. Click it to begin creating your new account. Next, you'll be asked what type of account you'd like to create. Choose Contractor. This option is intended for freelancers and independent professionals who want to receive contracts and payments from clients through Deel. If you're working independently, this is the right choice. Avoid selecting company or employer accounts as those are designed for businesses hiring workers. After that, you'll be taken to the registration form. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification and payment documents. Using the correct name helps prevent issues with identity verification and future payments. Then, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you use regularly because Deel will send important notifications, verification emails, and account updates to this address. Double-check for spelling mistakes before moving on. At this stage, you only need to provide the information requested on the form. There's no need to enter any additional personal details until Deel asks for them during the onboarding process. Once you've reviewed your information and confirmed everything is correct, click Create Account. Your basic contractor account will be created and you can begin setting up your profile. Depending on your country and the type of work you'll be doing, Deel may ask you to complete additional steps later, such as verifying your identity, adding your payment method, filling out tax information, or completing your profile. These steps help ensure you can receive payments without any delays. To quickly recap, visit the official Deel website, click Log In, select Sign Up, choose the contractor account type, enter your legal name and email address, review your information, and click Create Account. After that, simply follow any additional setup instructions displayed on your screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.